Are you thinking of building an extension that's near a tree, or even thinking of planting a new tree? Do you know how far trees should be from your foundation? Well, stick around and I'll explain how far away they need to be and which trees to branch away from. That was a terrible pun. Who wrote this script? You did. Welcome to Berkeley Builds. My name is Ben. If you're new to the channel, I've got 2 decades of experience building houses. I now work as a building inspector, and I'm passionate about helping you understand construction and getting stuck into DIY. Let's get into it and look at how far away trees need to be from your foundation. The main things to consider are tree type, the tree's distance from the foundation, and the soil type. Typically, only a clay soil with its potential for volume change causes an issue. Firstly, you need to identify the tree. If you already know what tree you want to plant, then great, you can skip this step. But if the tree is in your garden or your neighbour's garden, I suggest using the Picture This app to identify the tree. Now, this isn't a paid ad, it's a free app, and I use it when I'm on site doing foundation inspections just to double check myself. Simply take a photo of the leaf, the bark, or even the whole tree, and it'll tell you exactly what it is. Use a little bit of common sense. If the app says it's one tree, but clearly looks like another, do it a few more times until you consistently get the same result. Once you know what tree you're dealing with, we can start to determine how far the tree can be from your foundations. If you haven't already seen my video on how deep foundations need to be, check that out after this video. The next step is to use the free NHBC depth calculator app for trees. This app tells you how deep you need to dig if you can't move the tree, or it can help you work out how far away you can plant a tree from the foundations without causing damage. Select Foundation Depth Calculator. Confirm it's not more than 1 in 7 gradient. Click High Volume Change, enter how much ground level has been altered, otherwise click Unaltered. Select the property's location within the UK. Click Tree Details. Select the name of the tree from the drop-down menu. Select whether the tree is remaining, being removed, or removed. Enter in its height and distance from the foundation. Click Calculate and you'll be given a depth that the foundation should be dug to if the tree remains. If you want to work out how far away to plant a new tree, play around with the distance until the app calculates an acceptable depth. Trees to look out for. The worst trees are oak, eucalyptus, conifer, poplar, hawthorn, willow. Now you know how far away trees should be from your foundation. Check out this video where I explain how deep foundations should be. I should have put more puns in this video.